Hi, this is Ramachandran from onlinemathforall.com. In this video, we are going to see problems on permutations part 2. Here we are going to see how to solve the problem, that is, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed out of the digits 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 if no digit is repeated in any number. So this is the first part of our question, and there is one more part in our question, that is, how many of these will be greater than 3000. Okay, first let us solve the first part, that is, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed out of the digits 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 if no digit is repeated in any number. Okay, students, just a moment. Okay, I'm going to form a 4-digit number, so I'm just going to write 4 blanks since I'm going to form a 4-digit number. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 7 digits. So we are going to use these 7 digits and form a 4-digit number. Okay, so since I am going to form a 4-digit number, I have to fill up these 4 blanks with the given 7 digits. So to fill up the first blank, I have 7 options. That is, I can fill up the first blank with any of the given 7 digits. I can fill up 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 9. So I can fill up any of these 7 digits at the first blank. So the first blank has 7 options. So I write 7 here. Even though we have 7 options for the first blank, we are going to fix only 1 digit out of the given 7 digits. So we'll have 6 numbers remaining for the second place. That is, we have 6 digits remaining out of the given 7. We have 6 digits remaining for the second place because 1 digit has been fixed at the first place. So we have 6 options for the second blank. Okay, so 1 digit has been fixed at the first place. Again 1 digit has been fixed at the second place. So totally 2 digits have been filled up. So we have 5 digits remaining out of the given 7 digits. So for the third place we have 5 options. So I write 5 here. Okay, so totally 3 digits have been fixed at the first, second and third place. Out of 7 we have 4 digits remaining. So for the fourth blank we have 4 options. So why we do this problem like this? So the important condition is given in the question, no digit to be repeated in any number. So for example, okay, I said that we have 7 options for the first place. That is, I can fix 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 9 at the first blank. Even though we have 5 options for the first blank, I'm just going to fix only 1 digit in the first blank. That is, for example, I just write, I just fix the digit 5 in the first blank. I fill up the first blank with the digit 5 in the given 7 digits. So only 1 digit, that is 5, has been fixed in the first blank. So again the same digit 5 cannot be used in the second blank or the third blank or the fourth blank. So except the 5, the remaining 6 digits, that is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So only these 6 digits can be considered for the second blank. I assume 9 is going to be fixed in the second blank. So if 9 is fixed in the second blank, so again the 5, 9 cannot be used for third or fourth blank. So for third blank we can consider the digits, the remaining digits except the 5 and 9, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Only these 5 digits can be considered only for the third blank. I assume 1 is going to be fixed in the third blank. So 1, 5, 9. These 3 digits have been fixed the first, second and third blanks. So again the same digits cannot be considered for the fourth blank. So for the fourth blank we can consider only the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. These 4 digits only can be considered for the fourth blank. So that is why we write 4. So that is why we write 7, 6, 5, 4. I hope now the students will be able to understand why we write 7, 6, 5, 4. So to get result for this one, we just have to multiply the numbers 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. So when you multiply 7654, we'll get the result 840. That is, we'll be getting 844 digit numbers. When we form a 4-digit number using the given 7 digits, we'll get 844 digit numbers. Okay, students, now we can move to the second part of our question. That is, one second. Okay, so the second part of our question is, how many of these will be greater than 3000? So now, even now we are going to form a 4-digit number, but this time the number that I am going to form must be greater than 3000. So since the number that we are going to form must be greater than 3000, the first place to be filled up by 3 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 9, so we cannot use 1 and 2 at the first place, because the first place is thousands place. Since the number to be greater than 3000, the first place to be, the thousands place to be filled up only by the number 3 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 9. The first place is having the option 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So only these 5 digits, any one of these 5 digits can be fixed at the first place. So because the only thing is the condition given in the question, that the number to be greater than 3000. And the student may have a question. So the number to be greater than 3000. So can we use 3 in thousands place? Yeah, sure, we can use 3 in the thousand place, because in case I'm going to take 0, 0, 0, that means I'm just going to take the digit 0 in the second place, 0 in the third place, 0 in the fourth place. In this situation, if I use 3 in the thousand place, the number will be 3000. It cannot be 3000 greater than 3000. That means it cannot be greater than 3000. But I'm not going to use the digits 0, 0, 0 in the second blank, and third blank, and fourth blank. So we are going to fill up second, third, and fourth blanks with some other digits other than 0. So even if you use 1 at the fourth blank, it will be 3001. The number 3001 is greater than 3000. But we are not going to fill up the second, third, and fourth blanks by 0. We are going to fill up by any of the digits like 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, something like we are going to fill up the second, third, and fourth blanks. So definitely the number will be greater than 3000. So since the number is going to be greater than 3000, we are going to use any of the except 1 and 2, any of the digits out of 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, these 5 digits. Any one of these 5 digits are going to be filled up in the first blank. So the first blank has 5 options. So do remember, any one of these 5 digits is going to be fixed in the first blank. So in these 5 digits, we have 4 digits remaining, because 1 digit has been fixed in the first blank. And we have considered 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 for the first blank. Again we have 2 digits 1, 2, because these 2 digits have not been considered for the first portion. So out of these 5 digits 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, one of the digits is fixed in the first blank. We have 4 digits remaining in these 5 digits 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Apart from this, we have 2 digits 1, 2. So 4 digits plus 2 digits 1, 2. Now we have 6 digits remaining for the second portion, because there is no any restriction for the second portion. So only for the first portion we have a restriction, that is that has to be filled up by the digits 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, because the number to be greater than 3000. For the second, third, and fourth portion, we don't have any restriction. We can use any digit for the second portion. So for second portion, the number of digits remaining are 4 digits remaining from 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. And apart from this, we have 1 and 2, the 2 digits which have not been used for the first portion. So totally we have 6 digits remaining for the second portion. So we write 6 here. Even though we have 6 options for the second portion, only 1 has been fixed in the second blank. So we have 5 digits remaining for the third portion. Again, 1 has been fixed in the third portion. So we have 4 options remaining for the fourth portion. So in this way we are getting the result. So to get the result, we just have to multiply the numbers 5, 6, 5, 4. So when we multiply 5, 6, 5, 4, we'll get the result 600. So we'll be getting 6 and 4 digit numbers which are greater than 3000. I hope now the students will be able to understand how to solve this kind of numbers, that is on permutations, if there is any restriction in the question, so how it can be handled. Okay students, for more videos like this, please visit www.onlinemathforall.com. Thank you.